Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry noodle soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need creamy coconut milk, a good quality curry paste, and your favorite noodles. Don't forget to prepare your protein, whether it's chicken, tofu, or shrimp, cut into manageable pieces. Finally, chop your aromatics like garlic, ginger, and shallots to build a flavorful foundation. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by sautéing your chopped aromatics in a large pot until they are wonderfully fragrant. Next, add your curry paste, stirring it in for about 1 minute to really release its aromatic oils. Finally, pour in the rich coconut milk and your chosen broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer to meld all those delicious tastes. With your flavorful base simmering, it's time to add the main components. Carefully introduce your protein and any vegetables you're using, allowing them to cook until tender. Then, add your noodles, cooking them just until they are al dente, usually for 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings with fish sauce, fresh lime juice, or a touch of sugar to achieve perfect balance. The final step is all about presentation and enjoyment. Garnish your steaming hot soup with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro, fragrant basil, and a bright lime wedge. Serve it immediately in large bowls to savor every delicious spoonful. For those who love to plan ahead, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.